Great day. Today's lesson is we're finding the expanded form two different ways. So, and we're going to use it with the place value chart. So on our place value chart, we have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And so my number is 500 and 504,216. And we're going to turn that into expanded form two different ways. So the first way, I was telling the students, is an easier way. You just use the 5, bring that down. Everything else turns to a 0. It's very important to keep your numbers in straight columns. Okay? So we're done with the 5 and put a little check there. This is a 0, so that means I do nothing with it when I'm looking for standard form only. So here's 4. I'm going to use that. So 4 comes straight down. Everything else after that 4 goes to a 0. Okay? So the next number we have a 2. That 2 comes straight down. Everything else after that 2 becomes a 0. It is so important to make sure your rows are even. I've been telling my students, make sure you create a place value chart if one is not provided for you. So now we come straight down with the 1. It's in the tens place, so it's 10. And then we go 6, comes straight down, and we're done. Okay? So the expanded form, we have it as 500,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 6. Okay, so that's one way. The first way on how we do expanded form. The second way is we're going to do our parentheses. Okay, and we're going to do our first number, which is 5, times, what place is our 5 in? It's in the hundred thousands place. So we're going to put 100,000. 100, the comma means thousand, and we have our 3 zeros. Plus. Okay, our next number is 0. Remember, when we're looking for expanded form, we don't do anything with 0. So we're going to skip that. So now we're on 4. What place is our 4 in? Is in the thousands place. So we're going to put 1,000. Plus, another parenthesis, our next digit is 2. So we're going to put a 2. What place is our 2 in? It is in the hundreds place, so we're going to do times 100. Move my little 1 up from that other problem. Then we're going to do our plus. Our next number is 1. What place is our 1 in? It's in the tens place. And next we have a 6. And the 6 is in what place? The ones place. I was into my other problem. And there you have it. We have done expanded form two different ways. Okay? So now let's do another one. And I'm going to have pauses in here for your student to say what I'm asking or what goes there. So I'm going to leave little pauses. Okay, so let's work out this one together. Let me erase this. Okay. So here, okay, so the number we have here, 604,087. Okay, so I'm going to continue. Let me use the blue. And we're going to do it the expanded form by bringing down this 6. Everything else goes to a 0. So this is 600,000 because it's in the hundred thousands place and it's a 6. So in that sense, it's worth 6,000, correct? Put our little plus at the end, put a little check. We're done with the 6. Well, this is a 0. Remember, zeros don't matter with expanded form. We skip it. So now we come to the 4. The 4 is going to come straight down. The comma's going to stay 0, 0, 0. So that's 4,000 because it's 4 in the thousands place. The next number is 0. We skip it. Next number is an 8. We come straight down with the 8. The next numbers become a 0. We're done with the 8. Now we come down with the 7. So we have 600,000 plus 4,000 plus 80 plus 7 gives us 604,087. Is equal that. Okay? Now we're going to do our parentheses with our multiplication with standard form. Okay, so what number's in the highest place value? Well, the highest place value we have here is 100,000, and it's a 6. So we're going to do 6 times what place is it in? That's correct, the 100,000th place. 100, the comma means 1,000. There we go. Plus, our next digit is a 0. Skip over it. Our next digit is a 4. What place is our 4 in? Right again, is in the thousands place. So we're going to do 1,000. Plus, get ready for the next number, 0. Skip it because we're doing expanded form. So the next one is an 8. What place is our 8 in? Exactly right. It's in the tens place. And next we have 7. And what place is a 7 in? It's in the ones place. And there you go. And how you can check to see if you're right. So for example, if they give you the expanded form this way, this is a way that you can convert it to standard form, which is just numbers. They stand by themselves. So 6 times 1 is 6, and then the rest of these zeros would stay. Or 6 times 100,000 is 600,000. Plus, okay, what's 4 times 1? 4. How many zeros is left? 3. That's 4,000. Or you can say 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. Now you have 8 times 1 is 8. How many zeros there? Is 1 0. Or you can do 8 times 10 is 80. Now you have 7 times 1, and that's 7. Okay? Now you're going to write just that first digit. 6, 4, 8, 7. So we do not have a 10,000s place, so we must put a 0 there to hold the place. We don't have a hundreds place, so we put a 0 there to hold the place. And that's how we end. We could go from the expanded form to the standard form. Okay? So tonight for homework, you have page 45, and I want you to do 1 through 3. Work hard. See you tomorrow.